Okay, LeetCode problem 543. We're going to find the diameter of a binary tree. So given the root of a binary tree, we're going to return the diameter of that tree. The diameter of the tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. So the diameter here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3. Wait, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. So 1, because we're counting the edges and not the nodes. So 1, 2, 3, or from 5. So 1, 2, 3. And we're kind of, for an example, I'm just going to keep it in this order, going from this left tree to this right tree, because that's how it'll recursively follow it, because we just naturally start with the left side. And at each root node, or at each node, we'll return the max value between the left and right, and then we'll just recursively do that up until this root node here, and we'll return the max. So to do this, I'm going to create a diameter value, just start it off at 0, and then I'm going to define a function, DFS, that returns that will return the diameter, and I'll go ahead and call it with our root node, and then at the end we just return the diameter, which is updated by this DFS call. So do function DFS, and we'll add into it the root, our root node. All right, can I call it root? Yeah, I'll call it node, and then we need to check if we don't have anything, that means we've reached a leaf node. We can just return 0, or yeah, that means we've reached a node where it doesn't have a left or right child. And then we can traverse our left and right trees with node.left, and then let right equal DFS node.right. And then we can update our diameter, max to our diameter, which our diameter will now be the maximum between our diameter, or our values are the depth basically of our left and right trees, and recursively our stack keeps track of the depth for us, so we can just return left plus right of those values. And then we'll return math.max, left or right. So yeah, we'll update the diameter with our depth of our left and the depth of our right here. And then at the end of our recursive calls, we will return the max of our left and right plus 1. So that should work.